Alright, so as much as I don't feel like doing this is rough to look at. So go ahead, peel off this middle section and lay down some more knifeless up here, down here, and slap a new piece in. Now this is under all of this, so hopefully I can peel this off without peeling up too much of this edge. So we'll try that. Alright, so got this part off. Knifeless tape is already lined up right on the edge of that blue. Same with the bottom piece. So yeah, ready to go ahead and lay this vinyl now. Alright, so 15 minutes later, we got the new piece on. Didn't take too long. Yeah, press down in the middle, work my way up, press down, work my way this way, and then it's just a matter of trimming out all of this stuff in this gap. What you want to do, double check the knifeless tape, make sure it don't shift, because sometimes it can slide over. So like right here, slid a little bit, so that's why this cut is kind of wops over a little bit. Same thing here, shift it up, slid this way just a little bit, just enough to where it didn't overlap the rest of the red. So that sucks, but you know, small spot. You got to be right on it to see it, but whatever. The whole car got to get rewrapped anyway, but this is just so it won't be all tore up looking while I'm riding around. But that's that. That might be the last little thing I fixed today. Like I said, all these rock chips, this is gonna have to be fixed once the whole thing is rewrapped. But yeah, for the most part, I guess that's it. So dog going crazy, but yeah, that's it for this one. So a little bit update. So yeah, I'll catch y'all a little later. So yeah, I went ahead and fixed that little part that was tore up real bad right here too. So yeah, just some little quick fixes to get by until the whole thing gets rewrapped. Alright, so yeah, tail light is out. Got the little wires, cause yeah, I guess y'all hadn't seen these in a while. These got the halos in them. There we go. So yeah, so that's different if you don't have those, but those are wired into the regular parking light. One of these, yeah, this middle one. The middle, yeah, the middle. So that way that lights up as a parking light instead of the actual bulb that's in the rear bulb. Still light up for brakes and signal and all of that, just not for park lights. But anyway, back to this. So all of this that's peeled up, I'm just gonna trim right out near the edge where it's peeling. We're gonna slap an inlay piece on it, put the stuff back together, and at least then it'll be, you know, walking by you won't just notice a problem. It's like this side I already fixed it, so you can see it's a different color because the wrap is 2 years old. This has been sitting in the box for the last 2 years, and this has been getting sun, so it's a slight color difference, but a couple of days in the sun you won't notice. So yeah, we'll cut this out real quick. All right, that piece is out. A little alcohol, clean all this dirt out, give you something clean for the new vinyl to stick to. Yeah, this stuff is terrible. So yeah, now that you have a little clean surface, clean where it's gonna be. Next up, we got some knifeless tape. Just gonna lay a line right around this little edge. It'll overlap it a little bit, and I'm gonna trim that right in there, and inlay will be done. Then it'll be on to the next two taillights. All right, so and just like that, we got this new piece in. Again, some of the edges are a little off. It's not. This is just a quick little fix. This is not a full thing. I do it completely right once it's time to rewrap it, like next summer or whatever. But anyway, this is on. We're gonna drop this tail light back in, and just like that, everything is good. Will look decent. and on to the next two.